In the last session, we learnt about the document window of MS Word. In this session, we'll learn how to create and manage documents in MS Word. When we run the MS Word application, a new or blank document is opened by default, with name as Document 1. We can use this default document as a new document to write text. MS Word also allows you to create different kinds of new documents using existing templates in the application. To create a new document using templates, click on the Office button and select New. A new document dialog box appears. This dialog box is divided into 3 sections. The leftmost section lists various types of templates. The middle section lists and displays all the available templates of the selected type. And the third and the last section provides preview of the selected template. Select a template from the New Document dialog box. The Create button at the bottom right corner of the dialog box is replaced with the Download button if you select any template type from Microsoft Office Online category. Click Create or Download to create a document based on the selected template. A document is created where you can write text and insert images or pictures. You can now customize the document size using various options in the Page Setup group under the Page Layout tab. To set the document size, click on the Page Layout tab. Select Margins, Orientation as Portrait or Landscape, and Size to set the page. Once you're done with creating a new document, you need to save it. After completing your works with the created document and saving it properly, you need to close it and exit the application. To close the document, click on the Office button and select Close. Alternatively, you can click on the Close button on the title bar to close the document. To exit the MS Word application, click on the Office button and select Exit Word option. You can create a new document and save it in your computer for later use. Let's see how to create and save a new document. To create and save a new document, click on the Start button. Point the mouse to all programs. Click Microsoft Office. Click Microsoft Office Word 2007. A new document as Document 1 is created. Click on the Office button and select Save. Save As dialog box appears. Choose the location and folder in which you want to save the document. Double-click the folder to open it. Write the desired file name for the document in the Field Name combo box. Select the type of document from the Save As Type drop-down menu. By default, it is set as Word document. Click Save to save the document and close the Save As dialog box. To summarize, let's see the steps below to create and save a new document. Step 1. Click on the Start button. Step 2. Point the mouse to all programs. Step 3. Click Microsoft Office. Step 4. Click Microsoft Office Word 2007. Step 5. Click on the Office button and select Save. Step 6. Choose the location and folder. Step 7. Write file name in the File Name combo box. Step 8. Select the type of document from the Save As Type drop-down list. Step 9. Click Save. So, now you are able to create a new document. You have created a document with name as Chetna document and saved it in Chetna folder under local disk E. You may be required to reopen the saved document for adding some more text or editing some part of it. The Office button provides an option, Open, to open an existing document. In the Open dialog box, you can explore the saved document and click Open to open the document. The Open drop-down menu provides options to open the document as read-only, as a copy, or open and repair it. By default, all the files in MS Word are saved in My Documents folder. Therefore, by default, the Open dialog box displays the files of My Document folder. To open the files saved in another folder, you need to browse through the folders in the Open dialog box. You can also open non-Word documents using the Open option. In the Open dialog box, the drop-down menu to the right of File Name combo box allows you to select the type of document you want to open. The drop-down menu lists the types of documents as displayed on the screen. You have created a new document as Chetna document and saved it in Chetna folder under local disk E of your computer. Let's see how to open this document. To open an existing document, click the Office button. Select Open to display the Open dialog box. Double-click the drive in which the folder containing the document is located. Double-click the folder to open it. Select the document that you want to open. Click Open to open the selected document. To summarize, let's see the steps below to open an existing document. Step 1. Click the Office button. Step 2. Select Open to display the Open dialog box. Step 3. Double-click the drive in which the folder containing the document is located. Step 4. Double-click the folder to open it. Step 5. Select the document that you want to open. Step 6. Click Open to open the selected document. Now, we know how to create, save, and open a document in MS Word. Let's see how to insert, delete, modify, and copy text in a Word document. We use keyboard to write text in a Word document. Before we start inserting any text, we can see that the cursor is blinking at the starting point of the document. This means that whatever we write in a new document, it starts from the location where the cursor is blinking. As we type, the cursor moves forward. We press spacebar on the keyboard to put one space after a word or a character. When we reach at the end of a line, Word automatically helps wrap the text to next line. This eliminates the need to press the Enter key until we want to start the text in a new line. When we press the Enter key, the cursor moves to the next line. This allows us to write text in a new line. We can also insert pages, table, illustrations, links, header and footer, symbols, and other objects like word art, text box, and date and time using the Insert menu of the ribbon. We can also edit text in a document. To edit text, we must move the cursor to the place where we want to make the changes. The arrow keys help us move around in a document. The table displayed on the screen lists various arrow keys and their functions. Close the table to continue. In order to edit a document, we can insert, delete, copy, cut, and paste text. Word is usually in the insert mode. As we type in text, it is pushed to the right and down. To delete text, we need to press either the backspace or the delete key. The delete key removes the character from its current cursor position. The backspace key removes the character one position to the left of the current cursor position. We can also undo and redo the edits that we have done in the current document. We can use undo and redo commands from the quick access toolbar. The undo command helps reverse the actions. Suppose we have typed in some text and accidentally deleted it. Then we can click on the undo button to restore the deleted text. Alternatively, we can press Ctrl and Z keys together to perform the undo task. The redo command helps reverse the last undo. So, if we have restored the deleted text by undo command, the redo command will again delete it. To redo a change, we need to click the redo button in the quick access toolbar. Alternatively, we can press Ctrl and Y keys together. While editing a document, we can also copy or cut text, line, or paragraph and paste it to other place in the document. To copy or cut text, we must first select it. We can select text using keyboard, mouse, or both. To select single word, let's see how we can point the mouse to the word place and double-click. To move text, select the text that you want to move. Click on the Cut option from the Home menu of the ribbon. Place the cursor where you want the text to be pasted. Click on the Paste option to paste the cut text. The Paste option provides options to paste only the values of formatting or paste the text as hyperlink. Similarly, we can copy text to another place of the same document or in a different document. To copy text, select the text to be copied. Click on the Copy option from the Home menu of the ribbon. Place the cursor to the point where you want to paste the copied text. Click on the Paste option. The copied text gets pasted here. So, we have seen how Word allows you to edit text in a document by using various options and read the question and answer. Click on the right option and click Done to complete answering the question. Once we have written text in a document, we can format it to appear in a more elegant or stylish manner. Formatting text includes selecting fonts, changing case, aligning text, indenting paragraphs, and applying bullets and numbers. Font is the style or manner in which text is displayed in a Word document. A font has face, size, style, and color as its attributes. We can select or change these attributes to change the appearance of text in a document. We need to select the text first to apply various fonts attributes to it. Then, we can use the various toolbar buttons and options in the font group to apply these. We can select a font face from the Font Face drop-down list as displayed on the screen. Similarly, we can select or change the font size using the Font Size drop-down menu. We can change the font style of the selected text to bold, italic, and underline by clicking on the Font Style toolbar buttons. We can also change the color of the selected text by selecting a color from the Font Color drop-down menu. Word also allows us to change the case of the selected text. To change the case of a text, first we need to select the text and then click on the Change Case drop-down menu to select a case option. The drop-down menu provides various case options as displayed on the screen. The sentence case capitalizes only the first letter in the selected sentences. The lowercase corrects all the selected text to lowercase letters. The uppercase converts all the selected text to uppercase letters. The title case converts first character of each word to uppercase letter. The toggle case changes uppercase to lowercase and lowercase to uppercase in all the selected text. Alignment helps us organize text in a document. In a Word document, we can left align, right align, center align, and justify the text to enhance the readability. Text is aligned to the margins. We can align text in a document by using these formatting toolbar buttons in the paragraph group under the Home menu of the ribbon. In a Word document, each time we press the Enter key, it creates a new paragraph. We can indent paragraphs to make the text more readable in a document. Indents increase the white space from the margin and decrease the text area for specific paragraphs. We can use these increase and decrease indent toolbar buttons in the paragraph group to increase or decrease the indent level of the paragraph. We often need to make bulleted or numbered lists in a document. We can do this by using the bullets and numbering toolbar options in the paragraph group. We can also change the bullet style and numbering formats by selecting a style or format from its respective drop-down menu. It is interesting to know that we can select a set of format styles of text or a paragraph and apply it to another text or paragraph using the Format Painter. So, we have seen how various formatting options help us make our document look more eye-catching and increase its readability. You have written text in a document, and now you want to format text in the document. In order to format the text, you want to select font, change case, align text, indent paragraph, and apply bullets and numbers to the list. Let's see how to format text in the document. To change or select font, select the text or the paragraph to be formatted. Click on the Font drop-down menu in the Font group of Home menu. Select a font that you want to apply for the selected text. In this case, Arial has been selected. Click on the Font Size drop-down menu. Select a font size for the selected text. Here, font size 14 has been selected. Click on the Bold toolbar button to make the selected text in bold font. Click on the Font Color drop-down menu to select a color of the selected text. Select a color from the displayed list of colors. Blue color has been selected here for the text. To change case of the selected text, click on the Change Case drop-down menu. Select the case that you want to apply for the selected text. Uppercase has been selected here. To align text, click on the required Align Text toolbar button in the paragraph group. Text has been centrally aligned here. To indent a paragraph, click on the Increase Indent toolbar button to increase the indent level of the paragraph. Click on the Decrease Indent toolbar button to decrease the indent level of the paragraph. To create a bulleted list, click on the Bullets drop-down menu. Select a bullet style from the list that you want to apply for the list. To create a numbered list, click on the Numbering drop-down menu. select a numbering format from the list that you want to apply for the list. To summarize, let's see the steps below to format text in a document. Step 1. Select the text or the paragraph to be formatted. Step 2. Click on the Font drop-down menu. Step 3. Select a font from the list. Step 4. Click on the Font Size drop-down menu. Step 5. Select a font size. Step 6. Click on the Bold toolbar button to make the selected text in bold font. Step 7. Click on the Font Color drop-down menu. Step 8. Select a color from the displayed list of colors. Step 9. Click on the Change Case drop-down menu. Step 10. Select the case that you want to apply for the selected text. Step 11. Click on the required Align Text toolbar button. Step 12. Click on the Increase Indent toolbar button to increase the indent level of the paragraph. Step 13. Click on the Decrease Indent toolbar button to decrease the indent level of the paragraph. Step 14. Click on the Bullets drop-down menu. Step 15. Select a bullet style from the list. Step 16. Click on the Numbering drop-down menu. Step 17. Select a numbering format from the list. What do we do when we need to organize complex columnar information? Yes, we use tables to manage this information. Tables help us to manage information in various kinds of documents, such as forms, scripts, and reports. Tables are made up of rows and columns. Rows are the horizontal lines, columns are the vertical lines, and the intersection makes a cell that can contain data or information. Let's see how to create or draw a table in MS Word. To create a table, place the cursor at the insertion point where you want to create the table. Click on the Insert menu on the ribbon. Select the Insert Table option from the Table drop-down menu. The Insert Table dialog box appears. Select or write the desired number of columns and rows in the table. Click OK to create the table and close the Insert Table dialog box. Alternatively, click on the Table drop-down menu in the toolbar and drag the mouse over the palette to create a table with the highlighted number of rows and columns. Once you have created a table, you can change cell as well as the rows and column width and height. To change width and height of the cell, rows and columns, place the cursor on the cell, row or column and right-click. A pop-up menu appears. Click on the Table Properties option. The Table Properties dialog box appears. The Table tab provides various options to set the table size and align table to the text. Clicking on the Borders and Shading button displays Borders and Shading dialog box that helps you set borders to the table and page. The Shading tab on the Borders and Shading dialog box allows you to fill color to the table. The Row tab of the Table Properties dialog box allows you to set row height of the selected row. The Column tab of the Table Properties dialog box allows you to set column width of the selected column. The Cell tab helps you set the cell width of the table. You can also delete or insert rows and columns in a table as per your requirement. To insert rows and columns, place the cursor in the row or column where you want to insert new row or column. Right-click to invoke the shortcut menu. Point the mouse to Insert option. select one of the options to insert rows, columns, and cells from the list displayed. To delete cells, rows, and columns, place the cursor in the row or column to be deleted. Right-click and select Delete Cells to display Delete Cells dialog box. Select one of the given options as required to delete the cell, row, or column. So, we have seen how we can create and use table to arrange information in a better and effective way. MS Word also provides various utility options, such as proofing and tracking, to help us review and track changes made in a document. The Review menu in the ribbon provides options to proof, mark comments, track changes, and work with changes in a document. The proofing group of the Review menu has many options, such as spelling and grammar, thesaurus, and translate, that help us proof text in a document. Word automatically checks the spelling and grammar as we type. Spelling errors are displayed with a red wavy line under the incorrectly spelled word. Grammar errors are displayed with a green wavy line under the error. To spell check the entire document, click on the Spelling and Grammar option in the Proofing group under the Review menu. Spelling and Grammar dialog box appears. The dialog box displays the errors and provides suggestions to the errors. We can change the misspelled words to the suggestion or ignore it. To spell check part of a document, select the text or the part and then click on the Spelling and Grammar option. Thesaurus helps us find words with similar meaning from different dictionary. To find similar meaning of a word, select the word and then click Thesaurus. Research task pane appears listing other words with similar meanings. Point the mouse to the word and select Insert from the drop-down menu to replace the selected word with the suggested word. We can also put our comments in a document. To comment, place the cursor at the point where the comment has to be inserted, or select the text to be commented and then click New Comment in the Comments group of the Review menu. A comment text box appears to the right. We can type our comments into it. By selecting Track Changes option in the Tracking group, we can track all changes made to the document, including insertions, deletions, and formatting changes. The changes made in Track Change mode help us identify the changes made to the document. We can accept or reject changes using options available in the Changes group. Let's summarize what we have discussed in this topic. When we run the MS Word application, a new or blank document is opened. By default, all the files in MS Word are saved in My Documents folder. Whatever we write in a document, it starts from the location where the cursor is blinking. When we reach at the end of a line, Word automatically helps wrap the text to to next line. The arrow keys help us move around in a document. Word is usually in the insert mode. As we type in text, it is pushed to the right and down. Font is the style or manner in which text is displayed in a Word document. Tables help us to manage information in various kinds of documents, such as forms, scripts, and reports.